Yesterday I was okay. Oh, and last night, baby, I was alright. Oh, today, all the things I've searched for and found, another man's arms house around. And it looks like, it feels like, got the earmarks. Whoa, yeah, it's just another heartbreak for me. Oh, she's got somebody new, and I know she's gonna give him the runaround. Oh, 'cause just the other day, one of her old loves got back in town. Oh, while my heart is in a tangle, the little girl's involved in another triangle, and it looks like, it feels like it's got the earmarks. Oh yeah, it's just another heartbreak for me. Down inside, I know I'll find another love someday. Right now, I don't feel that way. The little girl had me so tore up inside that when she left, I hung my head and cried. I took her in after someone else that broke her heart. But oh, everything she wanted me to be, don't you know I tried to play the part. Oh, I guess I'm doomed to live for eternity. There's no